Marshall fam, what's up? I know it's been a while, but I got a surprise for you. Judging by the title, I'm pretty sure you guys know that this is the review for the DJI Spark drone. So I got it in Snow White, or Ice White I guess you can call it. It records 1080p. It has sports mode in it. This is a good drone for someone who wants to start out and doesn't want to spend so much money on like the DJI Maverick. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Mavic. But yeah, it's for people who don't want to spend a whole lot of money. But, you know, if you really want to get into it, I'd suggest Maverick because it has 4K. It's also more efficient with space. Like, you can just throw this in your like backpack and just go, you know. The Maverick, you have to like, I mean, I guess you could throw it in your backpack, but it'll take up most of the space in your backpack. So if you want to have like other camera equipment, you know. It also has a little foam case that you can carry it in. Okay, so I got the box here, and now I'm gonna open it with my trusty tomahawk. So first things first. Box. So it's the box right here. There we go. Technical difficulties. Okay, so right here is the drone itself. So let's give, actually I'll get the rest of the components out too. This is hardware. So first things first is the drone. Here's the quadcopter. Strange. There's supposed to be another set right there. Oh, that sucks. Oh well. Okay, I've only got one pair of propellers. There's spare propellers. Alrighty, so this is the drone itself. I'm going to give you a little comparison right here. That's how small it is. So basically you got the little box, styrofoam box here that is technically your carrying case, and then you have your spare propellers right here. So if this crashes, it's okay. Just make sure these little things rotate still, and yeah, replace them. And now we go to this here. Yet again, technical difficulties. So this is, I'm guessing, the charger and stuff. So, yep. Spark manual, different languages. Okay, so I have to go on this side. Okay, so now this is charging box and cable. And yeah, so that's basically the unboxing. Now, actually I'm going to give you a close-up of the Spark. Pretty cool. These are the object detectors. I don't know what you call that. Same on the sides here, I think. Pretty sure this is the exact same thing. And your battery. This battery comes off just like that. But yeah, let's go get some footage. Okay guys, so I want you to download this app. It is an essential to flying drones. So you're going to go to the Play Store, go here, type in Air Map. Get this drone, or get this app. I've already gotten it. So open it up, and by covering the my location, this shows you all of the no-fly zones. So it'll also tell you weather and wind mile per hours, and yeah, I wouldn't suggest using the DJI app. A lot of people say it sucks, so it also tells you the rules. Okay guys, so I've got my phone connected to the Spark now, and I'm gonna start flying, so check it out.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light